sir.
Okay, okay, okay. Now see, we are going to basically insert into a sorted linked list. So sorted insert, if we want to insert this node into the any sorted linked list, so we first need to find the location of it. So find the location of, we are doing the algorithm for find. So which will find the location for this 25, then we will insert into it. And insertion into a location algorithm we have already done in the previous lecture. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
Now,
Yes, sir.
if start is null means there is no node in the linked list. So where we are going to insert? At the beginning,
At the beginning, starting.
because that will be the first node, because earlier there was no node. But suppose
sir.
item you are inserting is 6. So 6 is less than info of start. So again it will be inserted at the
Start.
Beginning.
start. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
So second step, if item is less than info start, so I will call insert location. Insert location algorithm you have already done. These first two steps are clear or not?
Clear.
Or I should repeat. If
Yes, sir,
start is
clearer.
null, then there is no node in the list. So where we will insert at the beginning. So insert location, we know when we don't have any location to insert, we always insert at the beginning. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
But if item you are inserting is less than the info start, अब 6 में यहाँ तो नहीं insert कर सकता because this list is already sorted. 6 will be inserted here before 10 because the list is already sorted.
Yes, sir.
Again, the node will be inserted at the beginning. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
If item is less than info start, again I will call insert location.
Yes, sir.
Insert location we know does what? If location does not exist, it always inserts at the start.
Start.
And of course,
Start.
it's inserted at the start. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Should we move to third step?
Yes, sir.
Any doubts? Any questions?
No, sir.
सर इसमें फिर वो जो 3 एल्गोस पहले
Somebody
की
is
थी,
having some question. Please speak loudly.
यस सर, जो लास्ट में हमने 3 एल्गोस की थी इंसर्टिंग की,
That was insertion at the beginning, insertion at the location, insertion at the end.
यस सर, फिर वो इसमें भी लिखेंगे?
No, 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 no. How it can be always inserted at the beginning or location at the end? It may be anywhere.
यस सर, जहाँ पर वो होगा, जैसे
Yes,
सपोज यहाँ
yes,
पर मिड में आ रही है तो फिर हम मिड में
वही
लिखना
insert होगा.
पड़ेगा।
Yes, 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 yes.
Okay,
So it will be a standard algo for it. Not insertion into sorted linked list will not have 3 cases. We are discussing all cases in the same algo.
ओके सर।
So should we move now?
Yes, sir.
Now you will do what? You will do pointer को मैं किस में डाल दूंगा? Pointer is at start. को मैं क्या बना दूंगा? Save.
See.
And pointer will be link of pointer. Pointer कहाँ आ जाएगा? इस नोड में? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now, fourth step. Repeat while pointer is not equal to null. If item is less than info pointer, then location is equal to save. Okay, end of if. Fifth step. End of step 4. Should we do? Should we take this algorithm? First step is clear. If start is null, we will be inserting at the beginning. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Start is null means there is no node in the linked list, and the node we will insert will be inserted at the beginning. Yes
Yes,
or
sir.
no?
Yes, sir.
So if start
Yes,
is
sir.
null, we will insert at the location because we know the insertion location algorithm. If location does not exist, it will insert at the start. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Second step, if item is less than info start, suppose we are inserting 6 and item info at start is 10, 6 is less than 10, so 6 will be inserted again at the
Start.
Start.
start. For inserting at the start, we call insert location algorithm, because we know when location does not exist, it inserts at the
Start.
start. First two steps are clear? First two steps are clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now do what?
Yes, sir.
Do what? Let us relate this with the example. I'm inserting 25. Now, pointer was here.
Yes, sir.
This case we have already seen if 6, so inserted will be at the start. But
Yes, sir.
suppose we are inserting 25. So what we will do, this pointer node will become
Save.
save node, and pointer will be link of pointer. Pointer will come here. Okay?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Now, is your item less than info pointer?
No,
Is
sir.
25 less than 20?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No. No. So again, pointer node will become save, and pointer will jump on the next node. Now, is your item less than info pointer?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. तो save will become your location, क्योंकि आपको यहाँ insert करना है इसके बाद. Easy है?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Should I repeat? Suppose
Yes,
I take
sir.
up one more node, 40. Again do from the start. Again do from the start, taking the same example. So pointer was initially at start. Pointer was initially at start. Pointer? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So pointer node will be save node. Sorry. 40 and toss, null.
Oh.
So pointer node will become save node. Pointer node will become save node. And pointer will be link of pointer. Pointer will come here. Now tell me, is item, suppose we are going to set 35. Is item less than info pointer?
No, sir.
No. So pointer will again become save. Pointer node will again become save. And pointer will be link of pointer. Pointer will come here. Now check. Is item less than info pointer?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No.
No,
So
sir.
pointer node will become save node. Pointer node will become save node. And pointer will jump on the next node. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Now, is your item less than info pointer?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
This condition is true now. So save will become your location, that here you need to insert 35. किया कुछ नहीं, मैंने पॉइंटर के पीछे मैंने एक सेव नोड चलाया. जैसे ही आइटम इससे छोटी हो जाएगी तो पिछली लोकेशन मेरी वो लोकेशन होगी जिसके बाद मुझे इंसर्ट करना है.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Is
sir.
it clear?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Is it clear? Because
Yes, sir.
we cannot come back. हमारे पास हमेशा नोड का अगले नोड का एड्रेस है. तो I did what? Pointer आगे मूव करता गया, save उसके पीछे चलता गया. And the moment item was less than info, that means save is my location where I need to insert the item. 35 will be inserted after save. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Any
Yes,
doubts,
sir.
any questions? Any step which is not clear? Should I move now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Should I erase it?
Sir,
Yes, sir.
1 minute, 1 minute.
This algo is available in your notes I have shared with you link list.
Yes, sir.
So when this question will come in your paper, you will write 3 algorithms. Main algorithm, insert location algorithm, and the find algorithm.
Yes, sir.
Okay?
सर मेन एल्गोरिदम कौन सा बता रहे हो आप?
आपने शायद
नहीं
लेट
सर, ये
ज्वाइन
पूछना
किया।
था।
मेन में 2 ही स्टेप्स है, 1 and 2. Call find means find the location, this algo, and once you find the location, then call insert location. इस लोकेशन पे इंसर्ट कर दो. This is the main algo, only 2 steps.
ओके
Find
सर.
the position and insert. Find the position, the algo we did today, and insert location algorithm you have already done in the last lecture.
यस सर.
Should we
सर
move
जब
now?
हमारी सर
Yes,
जब
yes.
हमारी लोकेशन इक्वल्स टू सेव बन गई है 40
हाँ?
से पहले और आपने
Save बिल्कुल
35
बन
को
जाएगा. Yes. Where I
यस
need to
और सर
insert.
आप 35 को इंसर्ट करवा रहे हो सर, फिर इंसर्ट लोकेशन एल्गोरिथम की क्या जरूरत है जब हमने स्टेप करवा ही दिया वहां पे?
पुत्र इसने सिर्फ मुझे लोकेशन दिया कि इंसर्ट कहाँ करना है.
ओके सर.
इंसर्ट करने वाला एल्गोरिथम तो इंसर्ट एल्गो ही है, इंसर्ट लोकेशन ही है. इट जस्ट टोल्ड मी द लोकेशन वेयर आई नीड टू इंसर्ट.
ओके सर.
इज इट क्लियर नाउ?
Yes,
Is it
sir.
clear?
यस सर.
Should we move now?
Yes, sir.
Should I erase it?
Yes, sir.
When there is something to note down, I will tell you that this thing is not available in your book. You need to note it down. Now, deletion of the node from the linked list. The deletion of the node has again 3 cases. From beginning, from location, from
And
end,
yes,
like insertion. But
Yes.
trust me, all these 3 algos are not available in your book. So we will create the algorithm. Please note it down. Okay. So let us start from deletion from the
beginning.
deletion from the
Beginning.
beginning. So this is my
Yes,
linked
sir.
list. This is my start. And the other list is avail. Yes or no?
यस सर.
Suppose this is the case. Now I need to delete the first from the beginning. Yes or
Yes.
no?
Yes, sir.
So what I will do, I will name the start node as temp, any temporary node. Okay? And your new start will be this, because this will be
Yes, sir.
deleted.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes,
यस
sir.
सर.
This will be deleted temp. Your new start will be this node. Now this temp node has to be put into
Avail.
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 Temp will point to this and avail will point to this. And this will be inserted into avail.
Sir,
यस सर.
inserted. Sir, delete नहीं
Yes.
करवाना.
Deletion
Yes, sir.
करके वो memory avail को वापस करनी पड़ती है ना. I hope
Yes,
you
sir.
forgot.
Yes,
I
sir.
told you, when you need memory, you take from avail and you delete something, it goes into avail.
यस
Yes,
सर.
sir.
Why it goes into avail? And you did not ask a question in the previous lecture. CSC 2 students asked me why it is always the first node we insert and why it is the always going to the first node of avail. Because avail node
Address.
we already have.
Yes, sir.
This node will not be inserted here or here because इसका address इसके पास है, इसका address इसके पास है. I don't have its address direct address. So that is why when we take a memory from avail for insertion, it is always the first node, and when you delete something from the list, it goes into avail as the first node because
Yes,
avail
sir.
node address we already have all the time. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, scenario is clear. Let us write the algo. For insertion, we were checking overflow. For deletion, we will check
Underflow.
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 So underflow condition is if start is null. Start is null means there is no linked list.
Then we don't delete them.
Yes or no?
Yes.
If start
Yes.
is null, that means there is no node. So what we have nothing to delete. So print
Underflow.
underflow and exit. If avail is null, it is a condition of overflow. If start is null, it is the condition of underflow. Second step, what I did, I took a temp node from avail. So set temp is equal to start. Start node को मैंने क्या नाम दे दिया?
Temp.
And new start will be this. Your new start will be link of temp भी बोल सकते हैं और link of old start भी बोल सकते हैं. Earlier this was start, now it's link is start.
Link of temp.
हाँ, link of temp भी लिख सकते हैं. There is no issue. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Now third step. Please, this algo is not available in your book. So note it down. Now, avail will point to temp and temp will point to avail. So set link of temp.
Is equals to avail.
Link of temp is equal to this node and this node is avail. Link of temp is equal to avail. And avail किसको point करेगा? Temp को.
Temp.
So set avail is equal to temp. See how easy this algorithm is. And is it easy?
Yes, sir.
The same thing we did it diagrammatically. We just wrote it.
प्लीज
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
सर एक बार रिपीट कर दो.
I repeat. If start is null, there is no list in the list. What you will delete? You will say underflow and exit. First step is clear.
Sir. Yes, sir.
First step is clear.
Yes, sir.
Yes sir.
Now, second thing I did, I named this start node as temp. Start node named as temp. Yes or no?
Yes sir.
And your new start will be this node, link of old start. Your new start will be link of old start, or you can say link of temp. Anything you can say. Is this step clear or not?
सर थर्ड वाला नहीं पता चल रहा.
Yes, sir.
Temp is equals to start. So वो steps समझो.
ये वाला.
Yes, sir.
Second.
ये वाला.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I start node को मैंने क्या नाम दिया था?
Temp.
Temp. Start node को मैंने क्या नाम दे दिया? Temp. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
And your new start will be this node, na?
Yes, sir.
Which is link of temp, or you can say link of old start.
Old start. Yes, sir.
Your new start will be link of old start.
So now it is clear.
Now it is clear. Now temp has to be put into avail. For that, avail will point to temp and temp will point to this. So link of temp will be this node and this node is avail. The link of temp is avail
Yes, sir.
and avail is equal to temp. Please note it down. In last lecture, even I told you, you cannot swap these steps. Avail पहले temp को point नहीं कर सकता. Avail बाद में करेगा. If accidentally you pointed avail to temp, temp will not be able to point to this list. क्योंकि avail के पास इसका address होगा, इसका address तो avail भूल चुका है.
Yes, sir.
So first you need to link this, then you need to link this. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
This algo is not available in your book. Please note it down. Insertion of node at the beginning. Should I erase it?
Yes, sir.
Should I erase it?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now we will do the second case, insertion or deletion from the
Location.
Location.
Deletion of node from the location. Now again I will do the example, then we will go for its algo, because if example is clear, we can write algorithm very easily. You do not need to cram any algorithm. Avail.
Sir,
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, yes, yes.
सर हरप्रीत की मीटिंग लेफ्ट हो गई है तो उसे ऐड कर दो.
ये लोग अब जब तक आप ये करते रहोगे फिर मुश्किल होती रहेगी. चलिए, कर दिया मैंने ज्वाइन इनको. Should we continue now?
Sir, excuse me.
Yes, yes.
सर अगर लोकेशन अगर लिंक लिस्ट में पहले से दी ना हो तो फिर स्टार्ट पे जाएगा.
Please see the algo first, see the method first, then your question may be vanished automatically. Now imagine this is the location you are going to delete. Okay,
Yes sir.
and log p is one previous location.
Yes sir.
Yes, one previous location.
Yes.
Is it clear?
Yes sir.
Now
Yes, sir.
let us write the algorithm parallelly. If start is null, can we delete?
No.
No sir.
Start is null, can we delete? No. We will print
Underflow.
underflow
sir.
and exit. Yes or no?
Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
Now second step. It is very important step. Please note it down very carefully. He says if log p is null, if log p is null, then यानी log से पहले कोई नोड ही नहीं है. If log p is null, that means there is no node here. So that means location node is the first node you are going to delete.
Yes sir.
Yes or no?
Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
If log p is null, that means that here we don't have any node. That means the location you are going to delete is the first node, because इससे पहले कोई location ही नहीं है.
Yes,
Yes
sir.
or no?
Yes, sir.
If log p is null, then वही step beginning deletion of the first node. So start is equal to link of start. ये भी किया आपने. This step is clear or not?
Yes sir.
If there is log p is null, there is no node.
सर
That means
लॉग
this
पी
is the
क्या
start
है?
node. Your new start will be link of start.
सर यही क्वेश्चन था कि अगर हमें पहली लोकेशन सर अगर नाम हो
पूरा
तो
algo देखो फिर क्वेश्चन पूछना. Okay?
Yes sir.
This step is clear or not?
Yes sir. Clear.
If log p is null, here we don't have any node. That means this is the first node we are going to delete.
Yes, sir.
So that means the same step, start is equal to link of start. Earlier this was start, now its link will be start. Yes or no? Else means log p is there. तो अगर location को delete करना है तो log p will point to this node, because this is the location we are going to delete. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes sir.
Else means log p is there. So that means log p will point to this node. So what we will write? Link of log p. Link of log p will be this node, which is link of log.
Yes sir.
This step is clear or not?
So
Please
clear.
tell me. If log p is null, मैंने दोनों केस ले लिए. If there is no node here, the first node you are going to delete, and first node we have already seen start is equal to link of start. Previous algo में भी देखा था. Your start was this, now this will be start, link of start. But else log p is there. So log p will be pointing to this node, because this is the node we are going to delete. So link of log p will be this node, which is link of log. The link of log p will be link of log. Or you can say, if log p wants to point to this node, log p needs the address of this node. And इस node का address किसके पास है? Log के पास. So link of log p will be this node, which is link of log. Imagine this address is 4060. So here will be 4060. The
Yes
address
sir.
of the next node.
Yes sir.
Yes or no?
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So link of log p will be 4060, which is link of log.
Yes, sir.
Now location has been deleted. You just need to put it into avail. So avail will point to log and log will point to this. So set link of log. Link of log is equal to this node. This node is avail, and avail is equal to is it clear?
Yes sir.
Link of log is this node and this node is avail. Link of log is equal to avail and avail is equal to log.
Yes, sir.
Any step which is not clear?
सर एक डाउट है
हाँ
सर
जी।
सर इस एल्गो में एक डाउट है जैसे कि हम स्टार्ट को लिख रहे हैं कि स्टार्ट इज इक्वल्स
Your
टू
voice is not audible. Please speak loudly.
सर इन second step
Yes.
if log p is null then
Yes.
start is equals to log
If
p.
log p is null, that means there is no node before lock. That means lock is the first node you are going to delete.
Yes, sir.
So if you are this is the first node going to delete, if this will be deleted, new start will be this link of start.
सर एक सर if link log of p के पहले भी एक नोड हो तो
If your voice is not audible, please speak loudly.
सर अगर log of p से भी पहले एक नोड हो तो तब उस टाइम पे फिर स्टार्ट के पास थोड़ा ना कंडीशन जाएगी.
नहीं, उस केस में नहीं जाएगा. We see algo is not always fixed. We can make minor adjustments in the algorithm.
Yes, sir.
Okay. In that case, even इसके पहले अगर नोड हो भी तो क्या फर्क पड़ता है? Because log p is going to point. इसकी जो पहली नोड है, that is going to point to the next node. इसकी पिछली नोड से कोई लेने देना ही नहीं है.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
वो means कि हमारा एल्गो नहीं ना गलत हो जाएगा
No,
जैसे
no,
कि हम
algo will
start-
not change. But
Yes, sir.
if you want to put a particular condition in your algorithm, you can make a minor adjustment in the algorithm.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Is
sir.
it clear? Should I erase it? Any step which is not clear?
Sir, clear.
Sir.
Okay. While implementing, we'll check it. If there is a lock node, for that we will check.
Sir.
But otherwise, the lock will be my first node. If lock is not there. Yes.
सर अभिषेक वेटिंग रूम में.
Lock p का एड्रेस नहीं चाहिए मुझे. Again, you can say that concept वो save वाला concept. Pointer is here, save is here. Yes. Should we move now?
Sir, log p is the pointer.
Yes. Please speak loudly.
Sir, log p is the pointer that we had taken in like save.
Log p is the basically name of the node. This is the pointer. Second part, data and pointer na.
Yes,
So
sir.
this is log p node. This is the info of log p, and this is link of log p.
Yes, sir.
सर
Link of log p will point to this node, which is link of log.
एक्सक्यूज मी सर
Yes.
सर अगर लॉग p 2 हो तो फिर भी यही प्रोसीजर चलेगा.
You means to say there is one node here,
यस सर
but
वन लूप.
it will not make any difference, na? Because if this node gets deleted, this node is going to point to this node. How this node is mattering to me? If this location, if there are two nodes, suppose there is a one node here also. So if
Yes,
this
sir.
node gets deleted, this node is going to point to the next node. How it will be concerned to this node?
ओके
Yes. Any more questions? Should I move?
Yes,
Should we
sir.
move?
Yes, sir.
Now
Yes,
we are
sir.
at the last case, insertion from the deletion from the
And
end. Now let us see a diagram first, then we'll make a generate algorithm for it. Deletion of the node from end. Again, trust me, this algo is not in your book, so please note it down. We have a linked list. Start. And here is my avail. Now, which is the node you are going to delete? The last node?
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
तो last node को delete करने का process is very simple. Just you do what? Second last node pointer has to be set as
Null.
null. और वो चला जाएगा वहां पे.
Yes,
But
sir.
इसके लिए मुझे एक process चलाना पड़ेगा. ऐसे ही नहीं हो जाएगा इतनी आसानी से. तो pointer is initially at start.
Start.
Yes, sir.
Is this link null?
No, sir.
No.
No, sir.
So pointer will come here. This will be again my previous concept. Save node. Is this link null?
No, sir.
No. So pointer will come here. and save will come here. Is this link null?
Yes sir.
Yes. So what I have to do? Save का link मुझे null कर देना है.
Save null कर. Yes sir.
And डाल दो उसके पॉइंटर को अवेल में. तो पॉइंटर के पीछे पीछे सेव पॉइंटर चलाया. Again the same concept. Should we write the algo for it?
Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
So again step. If start is null, then what we will say? Please.
Print underflow.
Underflow and exit. Set save is equal to pointer is equal to save. Pointer node को मैंने save में डाल दिया. And pointer is equal to link of pointer.
Link of
This step
pointer.
is clear or not? Save
Yes,
यहाँ आ
sir.
गया pointer next
Yes,
step पे.
sir.
Now third step. Repeat while pointer is not equal to null. जब तक null नहीं आता है पॉइंटर को सेव में डालते जाएंगे and pointer is equal to link of pointer.
Link of pointer.
Pointer will be keep on progressing and save पीछे पीछे चलता जाएगा. End of loop. Now what will be the result of this loop? The loop I have put. What will be the result of this loop?
Sir, when null.
इसका output of this loop will be pointer will keep on moving to the next node. Pointer will be keep on saving as node and pointer will be jumping to the next node. So output of this loop will be pointer will be at last node and save will be at
Second last.
second last node. Now fourth step I have to do what? Set link of save
Equals to null.
is equal to
Is
null.
equal to null. Yes sir.
Because this is now the last node I have deleted. Now just pointer को डालना है avail में. तो fifth step क्या होगा? Please tell me. Set link of pointer is equal to
Avail.
Avail.
link of pointer is equal to this node and this node is avail.
Yes
Link of
sir.
pointer is equal to avail and avail is equal to
Link of.
pointer.
Pointer.
पहले pointer को point करना है. Is it easy?
Yes sir.
कुछ दो चार जनों की आवाज आ रही है. Is it clear
Yes,
to
sir.
everyone?
Yes.
sir.
Yes sir.
This algo is not available in your book or even in your notes. Should we move now? Okay, let us do a poll for it. Let us do a poll. Okay, first poll. It is available on your screen now. Please attempt.
Done sir.
Done, sir. Done, sir.
Sir, excuse me.
हाँ जी please.
Sir, during implementation, sir, हम कितने भी conditions लगा सकते हैं.
Actually, insertion and deletion concept had to be covered. Then we could have started implementation of it. So
Yes, sir.
I'm going to share a small program today for linked list, and then we will discuss how to implement it.
Yes sir.
Okay? Don't worry.
Sir.
Actually, the problem is the linked list concept can be completely implemented once you have done your concept of classes and objects. But we have not done that concept.
Sir, आप ऐसे बोल सकते हो कि
Probably
जैसे
you
आप-
have not done that concept in your OOPS till now. Yes or no? So we are
Yes.
going to see linked list implementation without the concept of classes objects. But after some time, we will be doing linked list implementation with the concept of classes and objects. So I hope people have attempted this poll. So I'm going
Yes,
to end
sir.
this poll now.
Yes sir, done. Excuse me, sir.
Yes, yes, yes.
Deletion ਵਿੱਚ ਅਸੀਂ ਤੇ ਸਰ ਉਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ ਮਤਲਬ ਕਿ ਇੱਕ ਐਲੀਮੈਂਟ ਡਿਲੀਟ ਹੀ ਕਰਨਾ ਹੈ
Yes, yes.
ਤੇ ਫਿਰ ਸਰ ਅਸੀਂ ਅਵੇਲ ਕਿਉਂ ਲੈਣੇ ਆ?
See, tell me, why we see na, this is an important question. When we delete a node from the list, why we put it into avail? This is your question?
Yes, sir.
Because see, how many memory location I have? 3 plus 3?
6.
6. If you delete it and don't put to avail, so how many location will be left?
5.
ऐसे तो करते करते मेमोरी खत्म हो जाएगा भाई.
Yes, sir.
So we put it to avail because next time when I will need some memory, avail will give me that memory.
Okay, sir.
Is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
सर
Okay.
कैसे बताया आपने खत्म हो जाएगा?
Because see na, if you delete this node, before deletion, how many node I have? 3 plus 3?
6.
6.
6.
If I delete this node and don't put to avail, so how many location will be left?
5.
5.
If I delete another node, how many will be left?
4.
4.
4. तो ऐसे तो memory कम होती जाएगी. See,
Yes, sir.
the pen drive you use, you keep on adding data, you keep on removing from it. अगर data remove करने से memory is not getting empty, so if one time will come, you have to throw your pen drive.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now deletion of node returns memory to
Avail.
Avail.
avail. Yes, avail. That memory goes to avail. And
Sir,
whenever
अभी
you need
people
memory,
are sir waiting room में wait कर.
and second question is, what is the condition of underflow? Start is null. Underflow means you are trying to delete. Memory is empty. There is no node. There is no node means start is null. And what is the condition of overflow?
Avail is null.
सामने लिखा हुआ है यार नीचे. If avail is null, this is the avail. If start is null is the condition of underflow. Memory is not there to delete. There is not anything to delete. If avail is null, this is the condition of overflow. Because avail is null, memory is full. You cannot insert anything. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, let us do the second poll now. Sathi. Please attempt the second poll.
To delete the beginning node from the link list.
Please attempt.
Start is equals to link. Start with the next start is equals to link. Done, sir.
Should I close this poll?
Yes, sir.
बहुत बुरा अटेम्प्ट कर रहे हैं यार आप लोग. So I'm going to end this poll now. In a linked list, garbage collection means empty memory spaces. It is the collection of empty memory spaces. Avail. Garbage collection is avail. The list of empty memory. And to delete the beginning node from the linked list, we specify.
Start is equal to link
Start
start.
is equal to link of start. Start is equal to null. कहाँ से आएगा भाई? 23 people have attempted start is equal to null. Start is equal to null means linked list is not there. Start is equal to null means there is no node in the linked list.
Yes, sir.
So 23 people have attempted. And दो लोगों ने तो ये भी लिखा start is equal to avail, जिसका कोई लॉजिक ही नहीं था. चलिए, should we move now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next concept we have is okay. Next is just the concept, one concept. Now we have a concept of header linked list.
सर आपकी आवाज बहुत कम आ रही है
आवाज कम आ रही है? Now it is
सर
audible?
यस सर
Header linked list. So header linked list is a linked list. Basically it is of two types. I will tell both its type. One is called grounded header linked list. And second is circular linked list. Circular header linked list, you can see. Okay. Now, why we call it header linked list? Because we call it header linked list because it is having a special node at the beginning called a header node. So if we go for grounded header linked list, so this is my start. And here I have a special node called the header node. And there will be the rest of linked list. Why it is called grounded header linked list? You are clear with header linked list? Header linked list is a concept where we have a special node called a header node. Now, why it is called grounded header linked list? Because we have null at the last. Where we have null at the last, null means ground. We have grounded it. It is called your grounded header linked list. But second is the circular header linked list, in which we have again the header node at the start. But we don't have ground, we don't have null at the last. The last node contains the address of the
start.
Circular, so it will rotate. Difference is clear? Grounded list is that which is null at the last, and circular is that where we don't have null at the last. It will contain the address of the first node. Is it clear now?
सर मीन स्टार्ट जो होगा वो लास्ट वाली के बराबर, लास्ट वाली वैल्यू के बराबर होगा.
The last node will contain the address of the first node.
Yes sir.
Okay. Now we are not going to cover the algos for circular linked list because you have already done. If you remember, you did the algo for traversing a linked list. Then you did searching into a linked list. You remember? In the previous lecture, we did it.
Yes sir. Yes sir.
Traversing
Yes,
a
sir.
linked list and searching in a linked list. We did it.
Yes, sir.
But there was a condition: repeat while pointer is not equal to null. क्योंकि हम start से
Yes,
लेके
sir.
कहाँ तक जाते थे?
Null tak.
But in circular linked list, only one condition will change. Rest full algo will be same. Repeat while pointer is not equal to start.
Start.
क्योंकि इसमें null तो आएगा ही नहीं. Yes or no?
Yes sir.
The rest whole algo will be same. Just condition will change.
Yes,
Comment
sir.
करने की जरूरत तो नहीं है algo. If you see your copies, we had done traversing a linked list and searching in a linked list. So there
Yes,
will be repeat by pointer. Yes or no?
Yes sir.
From start to null. But in circular linked list, we don't have null. So what will be the condition? Repeat while pointer is not back to start, because last node contains the address of the first node, the start node. So only condition will change. Repeat while pointer is not equal to start.
Start.
बाकी सारा algo same रहेगा. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So circular के algo we are not doing because only one condition is going to change. The rest whole algo is same. Is it clear? Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes
sir.
sir.
Only condition is going to change. Now let us go to the one of the very important types of linked list. Should I raise it?
Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
The title is
Two-way linked
Two-way
list.
linked
two-way
list.
linked list. The linked list we were doing till now was one-way linked list
Yes, sir.
because it was moving in one direction only. Start, next, null. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
But this linked list is a special type of linked list. It is also called doubly linked list. If name changes, it should not confuse you. The both terms are same.
Okay, sir.
Now here we are having the concept of a node which is not having data and address of the next node. We have data info. Then we have the pointer which contains the address of the previous node, the pointer which contains the address of the next node. So we have three things here: info, the data we contain, back pointer which contains the address of the previous node, and this is my forward, the address of the next node. Info means your data, back pointer contains the address of the previous node, and forward pointer contains the address of the next node. So here we don't have data and pointer only. We have two pointers. One pointer contains the address of the previous node, and one pointer contains the address of the
Next node.
next node. So that is why we call it two-way, because we can go in this direction also, we can go in this direction also. We can traverse this list in this direction also, and vice versa also. Let us see one example. This is clear now?
Yes, sir.
A two-way linked list is a linked
Yes,
list
sir.
which can be traversed in both directions. That is why we call it two-way linked list. It has two pointers along with the info, the address of the previous node, the address of the next node. Now let us do one example for it. Should I erase it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now,
और इसमें फिर डबल मेमोरी यूज होगी.
of course, an extra pointer. Now, this is my start. This is my end. So data we may have some data, A, B, any data we have. So address of the previous node, address of the next node, address of the previous node, address of the next node. Okay? Address of the previous node, address of the next node will be null because आगे तो कोई node ही नहीं है. Yes or no? Then again some data we have. Address of the previous node will be null. Address of the next node, previous तो कोई node ही नहीं है ना. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
ये
सर
two-way
ये
linked
फिर
list है.
डी क्यों लिया हुआ है फर्स्ट पे और सेकंड पे आपने ए ले
Oh, any data I can put. लो जी. I write bats, bats. कुछ भी लिख दो इसमें तो. Whatever you can write. So we have address of the next node also. We have address of the previous node also. So we can go in this direction also. We can go in this direction also. So that is why we call it two-way direction, two-way linked list. If I say this is a location A and this is the location B, suppose, so can I write forward of location A is location B?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
And can I write backward of location B is location A?
Yes.
Yes,
Forward
sir.
of location A is location B. Backward of location B is location A. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So this is the definition of linked list, two-way linked list.
सर इसका बेनिफिट क्या होगा?
We can traverse in both directions, hence time will be saved. Searching will be faster.
Yes, sir.
Extra logic will be required, extra pointer will be required. That are the disadvantages. Should I move now?
Yes, sir.
Should I
सर एक
move?
मिनट इसका नोट कर लें सर एक
Yes,
मिनट
yes,
नोट
yes,
कर
you
लें
can note
इसको
it down. You can note it down. Here we have null because we don't have any next node. Here we are having null because we don't have any next node. So this is data, address of the previous node, address of the next node, data, address of the previous node, address of the next node, data, address of the previous node, address of the next node is not there because it is null. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Have you
Yes,
noted
sir.
it?
Yes, sir.
Should I erase it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Should I erase it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now let us see insertion and deletion in a two-way linked list. So let us go for
Okay,
first
sir.
insertion into a two-way linked list. Insertion in a two-way linked list. So we will do again with the help of one example. If example is clear, you can write the algo. Now, I have a node. And name of this node is location A. Name of this node is location B. So we have three parts: data, address of the previous node, address of the next node. So I want to insert a new node between location A and location
B.
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 And you know, here we have address of the previous node, address of the next node, address of the previous node, address of the next node. ऐसे ही होता है?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes,
And we
sir.
want to insert this new node between location A and location B.
Yes, sir.
If you insert this new node between A and B, what will be the forward of location A?
Location of new.
Location A का forward कौन सी node होगी?
New.
And new का forward क्या होगी?
Location of B.
Because we are going to
B.
insert between na. What is
Yes,
the backward
sir.
of location B?
New.
And what is the backward of new?
A.
Location A.
बताइए, algo कर दिया आपने.
Yes, sir.
Algo you have already done. Now let us write the algo for it. Insertion. So insertion we are doing, we need to check the overflow condition. So what is the condition of overflow?
If start is null.
equals
Ah,
Oh, if
Sir, if avail is
null.
if a val is null, we don't have any
yes,
new memory. So we will
Yes.
print
yes, sir.
Print overflow.
overflow and
Exit.
exit. अगर आपको
Yes, sir.
याद हो, ये वही steps हैं. Set
Yes, sir.
equal to avail. Insertion and avail is equal to. बोलो भाई, पढ़ लिया आप लोगों ने.
Link of location है.
Link of avail.
Link of
ये step
avail.
आपने already पढ़े हुए हैं insertion वाले.
Yes, sir.
Set info of new is equal to item. Suppose these node had BT. So here I add A, BAT bat. So then you told me if a new node wants to come between location A and B, so what will be the forward of location A? What will be the forward of location A?
new.
Location of new.
Oi, new. Location of new, new.
New.
And what will be the forward of new?
Location B.
Location B.
Location B. What will be the backward of location B?
New.
New. And what will be the backward of new?
Location A.
Location A.
Location A.
लो जी, algo done. मुश्किल है?
No, sir.
बच्चे बोलते बहुत मुश्किल है टू वे लिंक लिस्ट.
सर नीचे ब्लैक बोर्ड नहीं नीचे बोला थोड़ा.
कहाँ तक विजिबल नहीं है?
थोड़ा-
बैक ऑफ न्यू इज लॉक ए.
Yes, sir.
यही लास्ट में एंड है. Is it easy?
Yes, sir.
Any confusion, any doubts? ये 3 स्टेप पहले बोलूंगा जो इंसर्शन में आप करते रहे हैं. Yes or no? Is it easy?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sorry? Okay, fine. This correct. तो लोकेशन ए का फॉरवर्ड होगी न्यू नोड बिकॉज इफ ये लोकेशन ए के बाद इंसर्ट होगा. एंड व्हाट इज द फॉरवर्ड ऑफ न्यू? लोकेशन बी. व्हाट इज द बैकवर्ड ऑफ लोकेशन बी? न्यू. And what is the backward of A? Location. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Should we move now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Should I erase this?
Yes, sir.
Any step, please, which is not clear, I can repeat. First three sets are same. Just this is the new step. Because if a whale is null, we cannot perform insertion overflow. If otherwise, I will take a new node from the whale and a whale will point to the next node. New के लिए data लिया और link कर दिया. Any doubts, please? Should I erase this?
Yes, sir.
Should I erase this?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, next concept is deletion from the two-way linked list.
Yes, sir.
And it is a bit tricky, so please see it very carefully. Deletion from the two-way linked list. Deletion from a two-way linked list. Now I have this 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And this is the address of the previous node, address of the next node, address of the previous node, address of the next node, address of the, sorry, this is data, address of the previous node, and address of the next node. This is what, how my two-way linked list looks. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now, this is the location I am going to delete. This is the location I'm going to delete. And if I delete this location, then tell me, this is the previous location, this is the forward location. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
If I delete this node,
Okay, sir.
okay, so this node will point to this node.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
If I delete this node, this pointer will point to here, na?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes,
Pointer
sir.
will point to
Like
here.
our star. Yes, sir.
तो सी मैं एक स्टेप लिखने जा रहा हूँ. Yes, exactly. Now see, ये सब मैंने लिखा. लोकेशन के बैकवर्ड का नया फॉरवर्ड क्या होगा? लोकेशन का फॉरवर्ड?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Location's back node is this, and its new forward will be this node, which is forward of location. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now second
Yes, sir.
step.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, yes, yes.
सर वो सेकंड स्टेप नहीं आएगा, फर्स्ट स्टेप स्टार्ट इज इक्वल टू नल वाला.
एक मिनट. Oh, कर सकते हैं. That we can write if start is null, we cannot delete. Now,
यस सर.
location के forward का new back will be location का back.
Yes, sir. Back of location.
Are these two steps clear or not?
Clear है, sir?
सर
Location.
फिर बताइएगा, कंफ्यूजन हो गई.
I am going to delete this node. Yes. So if I
Yes,
delete
sir.
this node, location की back node का नया forward ये node होगी.
Yes, sir.
हाँ जी सर.
See ना, if I delete this lock, so this node is going to point to this node ना.
हाँ जी.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
If I delete this node, earlier it was pointing to this node, this will be deleted. Now look, this pointer will point to here because this will be deleted. So location backward node का नया forward ये node होगी जो कि location का forward है.
Okay, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
And locations forward node का नया backward ये node होगी जो location का backward है.
यस सर.
Yes or no? Are these two steps clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Everyone,
Yes,
everyone, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, lock is related. I just need to put it into avail. So set link of lock is avail, and avail is equal to lock.
Yes, sir.
And see, simple. Is it easy? Is it tough? कुछ तो बोलो यार.
सर सिंपल है.
Is it easy now?
सर
सर
Yes, yes, say.
सर जैसे हम वन वे लिंक लिस्ट कर रहे थे वहाँ पे हम अवेल भी ड्रॉ करते थे और यहाँ पे हम क्यों नहीं कर रहे?
कर सकते हैं, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. अवेल बना के लॉक उसमें डाल दो.
ओके सर.
That is the known concept now. वो हमें पता है, करना ही है. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Please, is this algo clear to everyone?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
एक्सक्यूज मी सर.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
yes, yes. Any questions?
सर जब हम इंसर्ट करते हैं तो फर्स्ट राइट कनेक्शन करते हैं और जब हम डिलीट करते हैं तो लेफ्ट कनेक्शन फर्स्ट.
नहीं, इसमें कुछ चक्कर नहीं है ऐसा. सिर्फ you have to keep this thing in mind that first you need to link lock of avail, then avail is equal to lock.
ओके
Yes,
सर.
sir.
उसमें कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. We can set the backward pointer first, forward pointer later. That is not an issue. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Is it easy?
Yes, sir. Easy.
Now, please, if you are having any doubts, any questions, you can ask. Or if you want me to repeat this, I can repeat.
Yes,
Is it?
sir.
Yes, yes. Any questions?
So please repeat once.
Okay, okay, fine, fine. This is the location you are going to delete? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, if you are going to delete this location, this node's forward pointer will be pointing to this node because this is going to be deleted.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
तो लोकेशन के बैकवर्ड नोड का नया फॉरवर्ड होगा ये, जो कि लोकेशन का फॉरवर्ड है.
Yes, sir.
फर्स्ट स्टेप, locations back nodes new forward is locations forward. And when you are going to delete this node, locations forwards new backward will be this node. Locations forward node is this, and its backward will be this node, which is backward of location.
Yes, sir.
Is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
Should we move now? Yes?
Yes, sir. Yes,
यस
sir.
सर.
Okay, let us do
Yes, sir.
another poll.
Done, sir.
Done, sir.
So I'm going to end this poll now. तो So circular linked list node contains address of the
First.
node, and grounded contains null at the last. Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay. The last poll for the today. Only one question.
Done, sir.
Done.
सर एक्सक्यूज मी
Yes, yes, yes.
सर मैंने सबमिट किया है, लेकिन सर बाद में मैसेज आता है ना कि आपकी पोल सबमिट हो गई है। सर वो मैसेज नहीं आया।
कई बार नहीं आता है. Don't worry. Don't worry about that. Okay, I'm going to end
Done,
this now.
sir. Yes, sir.
So we have in the two-way linked list we have what?
Info back
Info
and
back
forward.
and forward.
Info back.
Yes,
For back and forward.
Yes, sir.
info means
Yes,
data.
sir.
Backward pointer contains the address of the previous node, and
Yes,
forward
sir.
pointer contains the address of the
Next node.
next node.
सर मेरे 2 पोल सबमिट नहीं हुए।
हाँ जी.
सर मेरे 2 पोल जो है ना वो सबमिट फेल हो गए।
Fail हो गया. Don't worry.
Yes, sir.
I will be getting in this in my database log that you have tried to attempt it. Okay. Okay. Should I
Yes,
erase
sir.
this now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So as per your curriculum part, the linked list is over. But we have to see few cases of linked list. As per syllabi part, the linked list is over, but we need to see a few more concepts. Now tell me, can I apply bubble sort on linked list?
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
No.
No, sir.
Bubble
सर
sort.
कर सकते हैं।
Can we do?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
सर
Yes.
उसके लिए 2 पॉइंटर्स अलग चाहिए होंगे।
Okay. So what will be the condition जो हम लिखते थे, like if you remember, if a of I is greater than a of I plus 1, then interchange. You remember?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So how we'll write this statement in linked list? If
Location.
info of pointer is greater than info of link of pointer.
Link of pointer. Yes, sir.
So you must note these small things.
Then
If
interchange.
info pointer is greater than the info stored on the next node. Now this is how you will write the condition in the bubble sort.
Yes,
Now
sir.
tell me,
Okay, sir.
can you apply binary search on linked list?
Yes, sir, कर सकते हैं।
How many say yes?
Yes, sir, कर सकते हैं बाइनरी सर्च।
Anybody saying no?
Sir, binary search difficult नहीं हो जाएगी?
Hmm.
नहीं सर, सिंपल लूप चलाएंगे, ट्रैवर्स करेंगे और एक काउंटर लगा देंगे।
It will be a very complex procedure because in array you had indexes, lower bound, upper bound. You were finding
Yes,
mate
sir.
is equal to beginning plus end divided by 2. But in linked list you don't have indexes like arrays.
Sir, बन सकता है लेकिन काफी complex हो
Yes,
जाएगा।
we can add like Sina, we saw a linked list in which we are having one data pointer and one pointer part. Then we recently saw a linked list in which we are having one data pointer and two pointer parts.
Yes, sir.
Similarly, we can have a linked list in which we have two data and one pointer.
Sir, बन जाएगा जैसे सर अभी बनाया ना।
Exactly, we can do it, but the cost of doing this operation will be very high because its complexity will be very high. We
Yes,
are
sir.
dealing with pointers, then we have to move to the forward pointer also, and again we will be doing this with the two-way linked list because we have to come backward also. The element sometimes is in the first half of the list.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So yes.
Yes, sir.
Now tell me, can we apply bubble sort on a two-dimensional array? Because you had applied on 1D array only. Can you do it? Yes, we
Sir.
can do it.
Yes, sir.
Just we need to change the row. After first row, we need to go to the second row. So we need to put some conditions and some loops, nested loops, because we are going for a 2D array. Yes, we can do it.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now there are, if you have noticed, I have not shared the tutorial sheet of your linked list chapter right till now. There was a reason, because until you do both operations, insertion 3 operations, then we today saw deletion 3 operations, we will not be able to perform that tutorial sheet. That is why I did not share. Okay, of course you people would have tried on your like half to solve those problems, but it will have been difficult for you people to solve. Okay, that is why I did not share the linked list tutorial sheet. Now let me discuss a few cases with you. Now tell me, I have a linked list. And data is 10, 20, 30. Can I put this linked list element into array? Copy all these linked list element to array.
Yes, sir.
How we can do it?
Sir, starting pointer से करके फिर वो
Set pointer is
pointer.
equal to start.
Yes, sir.
कब तक जाएंगे? Repeat while pointer is not equal to
Null.
null.
Yes, sir.
Now suppose I is 0 or I is 1. So A of I is equal to info of pointer.
Yes, sir.
Pointer is equal to link of pointer. And I is equal to I plus 1. End of step 2 loop.
Yes, sir.
And now I is initially 1. Point is at start. What is info at point start? 10. It will go to the first position of array.
Yes, sir.
I will jump to the second node. Pointer will come here. I will be 2. A2 will be info of pointer. 20. I will jump to the next node. I will be incremented. A3 will be info of pointer.
30.
30. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This is copying all the linked list elements to the array. Can you do the reverse?
Yes, sir.
Copy all the array element to. Have you
Sir,
noted it down? Have you noted it down?
So 1 minute.
So let us clarify linked list, because we are already dealing with arrays. Now we are dealing with the linked list. So we must be comfortable with both.
सर एरे से अगर हम लिंक लिस्ट पे आएंगे तो हमें सर प्रॉपर लोकेशंस का पता होना चाहिए कि हमने कौन कौन सी.
Of course. Have you noted it down?
Yes, sir.
Now, in that case I will do. Array से copy कर रहे हैं, तो k is equal to lower bound. कब तक copy करेंगे?
Upper bound.
Less than equals to upper bound.
ये दो step reverse हो जाएंगे.
Yes, sir.
O pointer is equal to a of I. लो जी. This is copying all the elements from array to linked list.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Should I erase it? Should I erase it?
एक मिनट राइट लिखने दो सर एक मिनट.
Okay. Note it down. Because these concepts are not covered by your book. We are just doing these examples for like a clear
Sir,
understanding of linked list and arrays. Yes.
Sir, means की location of pointer is already given.
Yeah.
In
We
this case.
we assume that we have 3 nodes in the linked list, or
Yes, sir.
we have assumed that we have as number of nodes as we are having the number of element in the array.
Yes, sir.
Should we move now?
Yes, sir.
Should I
Yes,
erase
sir.
it?
Yes, sir.
Now tell me, can we do the algorithm for, I'm just giving you the idea now, algo you will write. Can I do the reverse of this linked list? Can I print the reverse of this linked list?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now your brains should start running. Automotive mode. Can I reverse this linked list? As seeing this linked list, I cannot reverse as such, but yes, if I copy all these elements to the array and then display the array elements in the reverse order,
Yes, sir.
because we are always having the address of the next node, we are never having the address of the previous node. So as such, we cannot reverse, but yes, if I copy all these elements to a array, then array elements I can print in reverse.
Yes, sir.
कुछ करना नहीं है, lower bound से upper bound display कर देंगे.
Yes, sir.
After copying.
सर ऐसे तो बाइनरी सर्च ट्री भी बहुत इजी हो जाएगा.
हाँ, हो सकता है, बिल्कुल हो सकता है. See, I have told you this thing. For solving the same problem, we can have n number of solutions.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So any solution can be okay with that, but you have to keep in mind, because here we will be taking an extra array, so that will lead to extra memory.
सर बट कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी तो कम रहेगी ना एज कंपेयर टू.
See, if you are finding n candidate solutions means, suppose I give you a problem, A solving, B solving, C solving. So 3 solutions are there for me. So these 3 are candidate solutions for me. So anyone can have a better time space complexity.
Yes, sir.
Some can have more space complexity, less time complexity. Some can have more time complexity, less space complexity. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Should we move now? Another example? Another case?
Yes, sir.
Now, can I copy this linked list to another linked list?
Yes, sir.
आपको ये एल्गो लिखने हैं जो मैं दे रहा हूं आपको. Reverse वाला. Now, second, copy. Now,
Yes.
I need to create an exact copy of this linked list. How I can do? Loop चलाऊंगा, info copy कर दूंगा.
No, sir.
No. First, I need to count how many nodes I have. How many
Yes.
nodes I have?
3.
Then, and that will be my, suppose, count 1. The number of nodes in the list.
Avail से memory. Yes, sir.
Can I create a copy of the linked list now?
No, sir.
I cannot, because I need 3 nodes and in Avail I have
2
2.
nodes.
2 nodes.
2 nodes, yes. So I need to count how many nodes I have in Avail. Can I create now?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes. Can I create now?
Yes, sir.
So I have to count the number of nodes in the Avail also. And this count should be less than equal to this count.
Yes, sir.
Then only I can copy.
Yes, sir.
अब आपको करना कुछ नहीं है. This will be my start 1. एक नया start कर लीजिए, start 2. A new list where you are going to copy. Avail is equal to new is equal to Avail. Avail is equal to link of Avail.
Yes, sir.
इस new में पहला डाटा डाल देंगे. Okay. Now again, Avail is equal to new of Avail, and Avail is equal to link of Avail, and a new node will be there 20, and you have to link this node. So एक एक करके node I have to pick from Avail. I have to construct a new list, exactly the copy of this linked list. The logic, the idea I have already told you. You just need to put in your own words. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So today I will be sharing with you your linked list tutorial sheets. Now you will be able to solve it. Is it clear?
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay. This is the end for the lecture for today. I hope
Yes, sir.
things were clear to you.
Yes,
And
sir.
I will be sharing this live lecture video on YouTube also, so that you can view it any time later.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay,
Thank
sir.
you.
Oh, thank you,
Thank you,
sir.
sir.
Thank you, sir.